Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to update the system on your XIAOMI Smart Band 10 Pro. To perform an update, you'll need to open your Mi Fitness app and then go to the device section. Now go to More and find device version. If there is an update available, you will have an option to install it. If there is none, then you don't need to do anything. So in my case, it is available. I can click on Update and wait until it downloads. Once it's downloaded, it will start automatically updating. It technically doesn't require you to have your watch plugged into power, but I would recommend so in order to avoid any issues later on. I'll get back to you when the update is finished. Now you can see the sync is successful, which means all the downloaded files were sent to the watch. Now the watch will restart automatically after it finishes updating on its own. So I'll get back to you after that. Okay, now the watch has started, so I can connect it to the app and the software should already be the newest. Sometimes it happens that it doesn't update to the newest version if it has to update a few versions apps. So in that case, I would recommend going back to More and Device Version and seeing if there's any other update. In my case, my version is up to date, so I don't need to do anything else. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.